armed convoys guard every drop of Iraqi crude extracted from active war zones, generating $90 billion annually.
2 miles underground pressurized crude finally erupts through the Christmas tree in Iraq's most dangerous oil fields.
This refinery never stops running 24/7, turning Iraqi war zone crude into fuels that power the world. These are the bravest workers on Earth, risking everything every day to extract $90 billion of Iraqi oil.
From space, Iraq's oil fields stretch hundreds of miles, generating $90 billion every single year.
For thousands of years, oil seeped from this ground, long before anyone understood its value, beneath the Mesopotamian desert.
In 1927, Baba Gurgur erupted, spraying crude hundreds of feet into the sky, and Iraq changed forever.
Rumaila, one of the largest oil fields on the planet, holding 17 billion barrels beneath the southern Iraqi desert.
Decades of war destroyed Iraq's oil infrastructure, but never stopped production, despite sanctions and sabotage.
Today, Iraqi engineers are rebuilding, extracting oil from the most dangerous fields on Earth, with courage and determination.
To enter Iraq's oil fields, you must pass through military-controlled checkpoints with armed guards and concrete barriers.
Every drilling rig in this field is armored against rocket and mortar attacks, with blast walls and armed guards.
This rock holds crude oil worth pennies, but once refined, it becomes the fuel that powers the entire modern world from Iraq's war zones.
Armed guards monitor these fields around the clock. Threats can come from any direction in Iraq's active war zones.
These blast walls protect each wellhead from shrapnel and improvised explosives in Iraq's active conflict zones.
Before drilling begins, geologists map underground reservoirs using seismic wave technology to locate the trapped crude.
Vibro-sized trucks send shock waves deep underground to reveal hidden oil deposits trapped in porous limestone reservoirs.
The drill site must be perfectly level, and 1 degree of error can ruin the entire well in these hostile desert conditions.
It takes 72 hours to assemble a drilling rig in these hostile conditions, with military protection nearby.
This drill bit costs $15,000 and may last only 40 hours underground, cutting through limestone, sandstone, and shale.
Each 30-foot pipe section connects to the next drilling miles into the earth through limestone, sandstone, and shale. Rotation begins, the bit chews through limestone, sandstone, and shale to reach the reservoir 2,000 to 10,000 feet below. The mud engineer controls drilling fluid weight too light, and the well blows out in these pressurized reservoirs.
Steel casing and cement seal the well, preventing groundwater contamination and blowouts in the war zone fields.
Contact crude oil from 2 miles underground reaches the surface for the first time through the Christmas tree valve assembly.
This beam pump lifts crude oil from 3,000 feet below, 1 stroke at a time in the Iraqi desert fields.
Crude from dozens of wells converges into collection manifolds across the field before further processing.
The separator removes dissolved gas from crude, preventing explosive pressure buildup in the surface lines.
Salt in crude oil destroys refinery equipment, and desalting removes it before processing in these massive units. Each tank holds 500,000 barrels, waiting for pipeline transport from the protected oil fields. Pumping stations push crude oil hundreds of miles through pipelines to export terminals across Iraq.
Pipeline pigs scrape wax and debris from inside the pipes, keeping oil flowing freely across hundreds of miles.
From deep underground to this control room, every barrel of Iraqi oil passes through dozens of critical stages.
Inspectors check pipeline wall thickness constantly. A single weak spot can cause a catastrophic rupture in the desert. Flare stacks burn excess gas that cannot be captured and visible for miles across the desert at twilight.
Crude oil arrives at the refinery, where it transforms into dozens of different products from war zone fields. Incoming crude is preheated using energy from already refined products, saving millions in fuel at the Basra refinery.
The distillation tower separates crude into products, heaviest at the bottom, lightest at the top, by boiling point.
Each tray captures a different fraction: gasoline, kerosene, diesel, and heavy fuel oil by boiling point differences. Kerosene drawn here becomes jet fuel powering aircraft across the entire Middle East, from Iraqi crude.
Under vacuum, heavy residue separates further, yielding lubricating oils and wax from the remaining crude fractions.
The cracking unit breaks heavy molecules into gasoline and diesel, doubling the refinery output from Iraqi crude.
Sulfur must be removed from fuel. Without this step, the oil would be too toxic to burn in modern engines.
Multiple gasoline components blend together, calibrated to exact octane specifications for global markets.
Diesel fuel powers Iraq's trucks, generators, and military vehicles' critical infrastructure from the refinery.
Propane and butane are captured and stored, used for cooking fuel across the Middle East, from Iraqi crude.
Even the sulfur removed from fuel has value sold for fertilizer and chemical production worldwide.
Every batch of refined fuel is tested, and failing quality control means the entire batch is reprocessed immediately.
From this thick black crude to crystal clear gasoline, and the transformation happens right here in this refinery.
Refined fuel loads into tanker trucks, each one carrying 40,000 liters to market, from the Basra refinery. The Basra oil terminal exports 2 million barrels per day, one of the busiest oil ports on Earth.
This supertanker holds 2 million barrels, enough crude oil to fill 100 Olympic swimming pools from Iraq.
Military patrol boats escort every oil tanker through the Persian Gulf. Piracy is a constant threat in these waters.
Every tanker must pass through the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most strategic oil choke point.
The journey from Iraq to Houston takes 22 days across 6,000 miles of open ocean.
Iraq also exports through Turkey, 600 miles of pipeline crossing mountains and borders to the Mediterranean.
Iraqi crude arrives at a U.S. Gulf Coast refinery, completing a 6,000-mile journey from the war zones.
Offloading takes 36 hours, transferring 2 million barrels from ship to shore storage tanks. From here, fuel reaches gas stations and the final stop before it enters your vehicle from Iraqi soil.
This moment filling your car is the end of a journey that started beneath Iraqi soil, in war zones.
Night patrols secure the oil fields when most sabotage and theft attempts occur in the darkness. Surveillance drones monitor hundreds of miles of pipeline, detecting leaks and intruders from above.
Repair teams work through the night, fixing pipeline damage, while soldiers stand guard in the war zone.
Critical pipeline sections are fortified with barriers and cameras and motion-activated lighting against sabotage.
Quick reaction forces respond to threats within minutes, protecting billions in oil infrastructure.
Illegal pipeline taps steal millions in crude oil every year. A constant battle for security forces.
Specialized firefighting teams battle well blowouts, and temperatures reach over 2,000 degrees in the desert.
Medevac helicopters can evacuate injured workers to hospitals within 30 minutes from the oil fields.
Every 12 hours, a new shift arrives. Brave workers entering one of the most dangerous workplaces on Earth.
This fence marks the boundary. Inside is one of the most valuable and dangerous places on Earth.
This control room monitors every well pipe and pump across the entire Rumaila oil field in real time.
Iraqi oil generates $90 billion annually, funding an entire nation from beneath the sand. Iraq holds OPEC's second largest oil reserves, making it a key player in global energy politics.
Behind every barrel of Iraqi oil are the hands of workers who risk everything, every single day.
Oil revenue funds roads, hospitals, and schools, keeping cities like Basra alive and growing.
Billions in oil revenue fund Iraq's reconstruction, building highways, power plants, and hospitals.
Oil field gas powers electric plants, providing electricity to millions of Iraqi homes.
Every barrel of oil produces 7 barrels of water, and all of it must be treated before disposal. Iraq is training a new generation of petroleum engineers, securing the nation's oil future. At sunset, workers pause for prayer, a moment of peace in one of Earth's most intense workplaces.
Iraq is reducing gas flaring, capturing wasted energy worth billions of dollars annually.
Spill response teams deploy within minutes, containing leaks before they spread to groundwater.
Air quality stations around the refinery monitor emissions, ensuring workers and communities stay safe. Monthly emergency drills ensure every worker knows exactly where to go when disaster strikes.
Hydrogen sulfide gas can kill in seconds. Every worker carries a personal detector at all times. Every piece of equipment exists for one reason: to bring this worker home alive tonight.
In 50-degree desert heat, workers must pass medical screening before every single shift.
Desert dust storms shut down operations for hours, blinding everything in their path.
After every storm, crews spend hours cleaning and recalibrating before a single barrel can flow again.
At night, the oil field becomes a city of lights, an industrial universe beneath the desert stars.
Every morning, thousands of Iraqi workers leave their families, heading into the most dangerous oil fields on Earth. These hands have pulled pipe for 30 years. They tell the story of an entire career in oil.
At lunch, the drill floor becomes a dining room. Workers share food, tea, and a brief moment of rest. The night shift walks into total darkness, 12 hours of work ahead in the desert blackness.
Every hour, supervisors radio check every position, making sure every worker is safe and accounted for. If this generator fails, the entire field goes dark, and maintenance crews ensure it never stops running.
After 12 hours in the heat, these workers have earned their rest until the next shift begins.
These are the people who power the world from the most dangerous oil fields on the planet. Remember them.
From space, Iraq's oil fields stretch for hundreds of miles, a civilization built on petroleum.
From sunrise to sunset, this field never rests. Every second, crude oil flows from beneath Iraqi soil.
1 barrel of Iraqi crude oil produces all of these, fueling transport industry and daily life worldwide.
145 billion barrels in reserve. Iraq will produce oil for generations to come.
Every day they return, because the world depends on what lies beneath their feet.
Every drop of this oil carries the weight of history and danger and human determination. This is Iraq's oil, extracted from danger, refined by skill, delivered to the world. The pipeline stretches beyond the horizon, connecting Iraqi soil to gas stations across the globe.
Next Forge Labs, documenting the world's most incredible manufacturing stories.
This is how oil is extracted in Iraq's war zone. Generates $90 billion annually.
This production by Next Forge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. Next Forge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.